Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got another cleaning video. Today I'm going to be focusing mainly on the kitchen, putting dishes away, clearing off the counters in my island, which loves to attract just stuff. So I'm going to be cleaning that off, and towards the end of the video I'm also going to be unboxing a few new kitchen items that I was gifted by a brand, and I will link everything below in the description box if you're interested. So enjoy the video, enjoy the cleaning, and thanks for tuning in. Now for the fun part, I'm going to be unboxing a 17-piece knife set, a 6-piece cutting board set, as well as a bread slicer. First up are the cutting boards, which I'm really excited about. I needed to replace my current plastic ones because over time they have begun to get really raggedy. And when you use plastic cutting boards, over time you end up with shaved plastic bits that come off. Nobody wants plastic Parmesan in their food, so I wanted some wood cutting boards. Since filming this video, I have tried out all of the products, and I will say that the cutting boards are okay. They say that you're supposed to use the plastic mats that I showed you in the beginning. You're supposed to put those on top of the wood cutting boards, but that really didn't make much sense to me since I don't want to use plastic. So the cutting boards do have marks and cuts in them from using it for the first time. However, I decided to just use them as charcuterie boards, and they worked out really well during Christmas and my other gatherings. Overall, these are really cute and functional, even though I can't use them for the intended use that I bought them for. But again, I wanted some charcuterie boards, so hey, they worked out. Moving on to the bread slicer, I was actually really excited about this one because I do make my own bread sometimes, and slicing it can be a bit of a pain, especially when I want equally sliced pieces. If you guys would like to see a video on my homemade bread and trying out the slicer, make sure you let me know down below in the comments. Lastly is the knife set. Starting off with the knife block, it was very heavy duty and it didn't feel cheap. I did like that it's magnetic, but I have kids, so having knives on display doesn't really sit well with me. My kids don't play on the counters or anything, but I think I could just do without the knives being on display. However, they are sharp, and I love that I got such a wide variety of knives compared to the smaller set of knives that I have through KitchenAid. I do, however, prefer my KitchenAid chef's knife over this set because my current knife is rounder and gives me an easier time when I'm chopping quickly versus this set that was just very straight. But they are sharp, and they are the reason that my new cutting board has cuts in it from the first use. But again, it's all just preference, so I don't really prefer to use these knives right now for cooking, but they are nice to have just in case I do need knives. Overall, I'll give this brand an 8 out of 10. Now, my review is based on the fact that I cook a lot. I am not a chef by any means, but I do spend most of my days in the kitchen. So I have learned a lot over the years on what works best and what doesn't. So I won't take away from this knife set because I think it's great if you just need a set of knives for your home, or if you are, into cooking or getting started. I think they're a great set for beginners or someone that just needs a set of knives. But for me, I do have a set that I prefer to cook with just because it just has a rounder base and it's easier for me to rock back and forth. As you can see, my current set, my shears are rusty, so I needed to replace those. So I'm so glad that my new set has shears. But overall, like I said, it's a good set if you're looking to just, start out cooking. If you're interested in purchasing any of the products I've shown, I have linked them to my storefront below. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.